Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel on the horizon. Today is the last day before lockdown and my gym is closing from tomorrow and I'm really sad. I can't go for a workout and I was really enjoying the activities, but never mind. I have to stay home. We have to stay home for 4 weeks. Then after that I will resume my activities again, hopefully. So before I finish this gym, I will show you some of the activities again, and let's have a enjoy. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video, and see you next time. And until now, have a good day, have a good night, wherever you are, and be safe, and we will be okay soon from this deadly virus. So thank you for watching.